Hello, little explorers. Today, let's learn about the amazing life of a butterfly step by step. So, step 1, the egg. Every butterfly starts as a tiny egg. The mother butterfly lays her eggs on leaves. These eggs are so small you can barely see them. Step 2, the caterpillar. After a few days, the egg hatches and out comes a caterpillar. The caterpillar is very hungry. It eats and eats and eats yummy green leaves. When the caterpillar is big and full, it gets ready for a big change. It wraps itself in a special shell called chrysalis or pupa. Inside, something magical is happening. After some time, the chrysalis opens and out comes a butterfly. Wow, look at those colorful wings. The butterfly flies away and the cycle starts all over again. From egg to caterpillar to chrysalis to butterfly. Isn't nature amazing? Now you know the 4 steps of butterfly's life. Thanks for watching and don't forget to keep exploring. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching, kids. Hope you like it. Then like, share and subscribe our channel for more fun learning videos. Bye bye.